put 10 in the middle, and then the last letter. There's 10 letters you took out, right? Repeat the question? Yeah. So I'll repeat the question now if you're still not sure what the question was. So some words are too long to write out many times, so you're writing a program that can shorten long words, right? So if a word is, you'll use cin to get a string as input, you'll type in the string, and then if the word is 11 letters or less, all you're going to do is just print out, use cout to print out the string again, the same string. If it's less than 11 letters or less, you don't need to change the string. But if it's 12 letters or greater, then what you need to do is shorten the string by doing an abbreviation of it. And how that works is you take the first letter, then you put in a number based on how many letters you abbreviated, and then the last letter. For example, localization, right here, this is 12 letters long. So since it's 12 letters long, it's too long, so you need to abbreviate it by changing it into L, which is the first letter, N, which is the last letter at the very end, and you cut down 10 letters since there's 12 letters long, so you need to put the 10 right there, like that. Okay? So then you need to print out this instead. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay? But one thing that you should probably know is that if you use the function to_string and you pass in some number, this changes this number. It's an integer, right? This is an integer. If you do toString like that, this will change it to a string. So then, yeah, that might be helpful. can also use the plus symbol to combine strings together. So if you have string 1 right here, and you add on the string 2, this will combine the two strings, right? You can use the plus to add two strings together to combine. Oh, you don't have to worry about that. It's just two string here. Okay, let's go over it. Okay, everyone pay attention. Just stop working and pay attention so we can go over it. Okay, so what's the first thing? If we're going to work with strings, what's the first thing we need to do? Okay. So if we're going to work with strings, what's the first thing we should do?
Include string.
Include string, right? Okay. Any other imports? Includes? Yeah.
IO string.
Yep. You want to use input output, so you want to include IO string. What's next?
Using namespace.
Okay, using namespace as T, then we in main, right? Alright, so inside the main, what's the first thing we should do? Yeah?
Create a new string.
Create a new string. So how do you do that?
You put in string space and string.
String space string name, what do you want to call it?
I call it word.
Word. Okay, we hear the string called word. Now we need to input it. How do we input it? Yes?
CN and then two greater than signs and word.
We're CNing the word. Okay, we're getting the input and then you're going to be typing in the string, right? And it's going to be stored into Word. Any questions so far? Okay, so we'll get the word now. Now we did use the if statement, right? What do we need to check? Yes?
If word dot size.
If word dot size
Parentheses. Is greater than or equal to 11.
is greater than or equal to 11. Yeah, we can do that first. Let's do the easier one first, right? So let's do the other way. So if it's not greater than or equal to 11, I said strictly greater than 11. Then it's still on. So just greater than 11. But the opposite of that is if it's less than or equal to yeah, if it's less than or equal to 11, then it's not too long, right? If it's greater than 11, that's too long. So let's just do the easier one first. If it's less than or equal to 11, what do you need to do? Yep, since you don't change it, if it's not too long, if it's less than or equal to 11, then you don't need to change the word. All you need to do is CR word. Wrong one.
I was just gonna say.
I haven't done C++ in a while. Okay, does everyone understand that? If it's not too long, if it's less than or equal to 11, if the size of the word is less than or equal to 11, then we're just CLing the word, right? Because it's not too long. We don't need to change it. Okay? Now what? Yes? Yeah, you.
You need to make another if statement if the word is longer than
Else, right? We can use else. We don't have to use another if statement. We can just if else. If this doesn't work, else. Else what? Here, I'm gonna move this up here. Okay, now we have to build our new string, right? How do we build our new string? If it's, we need to abbreviate it. Anyone know?
Take first the last letter,
How do you do that?
like str0 and
Okay. Let's create a new variable first, right? Store a new string. So I'm gonna do a variable called string